Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Using a sharp knife, make a small slit down the top of the meat and spread it by running your finger through the lobster meat. Fill crevice with butter, then sprinkle with garlic salt, pepper and paprika. Broil 3 to 4 inches from heat for approximately 1 minute per ounce. i.e., a 4 ounces tail would take about 4 minutes.
Let's help you make your mark.
Whether you purchased frozen or fresh lobster tails, you should always first rinse off the tail's exterior. To ensure the lobsters are clean, scrub the shell only, not the exposed meat. Do not submerge the tails in water as the meat can absorb the liquid, creating a watery tasting lobster.
Let's help you make your mark.
Boiled lobster tail. Bring the water to a boil, then carefully add the tails to the pot. Cook until the meat is translucent, pinkish white, and shells are red, about 1 minute per ounce. Drain and allow to slightly cool before opening the shell to remove the meat. Add desired seasonings. 10 February 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cooking frozen lobster tails. To boil a lobster tail, completely thaw lobster tail in the refrigerator. In a large kettle, bring enough water to a boil to cover lobster tails. Add 1 tablespoon salt, if desired, for each quart of water. When water returns to a boil, reduce heat and simmer, do not boil, covered, 5 minutes.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.